This exercise probably wins the award for asking you to do the most work with the least amount of instructions. Bad pedagogy? I hope not. The most important thing you can take away from this exercise is how to approach a problem. It is hands down the most essential task of a programmer. And it's also the one that's almost never addressed in tutorials and courses. I suspect the reason for this omission is that while syntax is fairly easy to teach, problem solving by steps is notoriously difficult. There's no standard process you can look up and follow the steps. Even your best efforts might well turn out to be incomplete at best and downright incorrect at worst. It's a recipe for frustration, but it's indispensable. There may not be an easy formula to follow, but can we gain nothing from others who have mastered what might really be an art rather than a science? I think we can. The first piece of wisdom is to go slowly. Don't dash things off quickly. Instead, start at the beginning and then stop. Is this really the beginning? Do we need to do anything else before we start on this first step? If so, then that's really where we should start. Then as we approach each step, we should ask, what could throw a wrench into the works? Programmers often talk about edge or corner cases, those rare conditions that when they occur will blow up our algorithms. So consider these as you go. Next, create comments that detail what the step is meant to achieve. I often see programmers comment along the lines of loop over users. Yes, I could tell that by the use of the for each function. Tell me what you hope to accomplish by that loop. Tell me why you're looping. Good comments are typically jargon-free. They should be done in such a way that a person familiar with the problem could understand your solution, even if they don't know any programming. So let's try an example. The problem is cooking hamburgers on our new charcoal grill. So what's the solution? What's the algorithm? Number 1, purchase hamburger meat. Okay, that seems like a good place to start. But are we going to purchase only ground beef or other meats as well? See, we're thinking through this. We're asking, is this the right place to start? So let's say we decide, nope, just ground beef. Okay, good. Let's go on. Number 2, form the meat into patties. Seems straightforward enough. I can't think of anything that would trip us up. 3, add charcoal to... We didn't check to see if we have any charcoal. Now we'll need to go get that at the store when we purchase the ground meat. Also, what about buns? Do we need to buy those and condiments? So let's go back to step 1. 1, purchase hamburger meat as well as charcoal, buns, and any needed condiments. That's better, and it saved us an extra trip to the store. 2, form the meat into patties. 3, add charcoal to the grill. 4, douse the charcoal with, dang it, we forgot to get lighter fluid. As the musicians say, once more from the top. 1, purchase hamburger meat, charcoal, lighter fluid, long wooden matches, might as well get those 2, buns, and any other needed condiments. 2, form the meat into patties. 3, add charcoal to the grill. 4, douse the charcoal with lighter fluid. 5, wait for the charcoal to turn into coals. 6, place the patties on the grill. 7, when the patties are almost done, place the buns on the grill to be toasted. 8, when the burgers are done, remove the buns from the grill. 9, remove the patties from the grill and place on the buns. 10, eat the burgers yourself since no one volunteered to help you. At some point it might occur to you that you perhaps should have gotten cheese. Heck no, the requirements clearly said hamburger, not cheeseburger. That's when you know you're really on your way to becoming a programmer. Notice that each of these steps is written in plain English. We didn't say anything about the grill or the type it was or the BTUs it puts out. A normal person could read through the steps and understand them. So try thinking about these for the rest of these exercises. One of the worst and most common sins of programmers is the desire to start writing code. Don't fall for that. Form a clear plan. Write out each step. Then the last thing you need to do is write the code that will accomplish each step. So try it out. See you in exercise 35.